poropititanga ka tuki wai te mata Pūpūtarakihi Tohu Tiketike.
Yeah, it was a great night to be here to celebrate the good things that all of our people are doing for our marae, our community and our whānau.
Always takes a backing to get to it, and it's thanks to my whānau, my wife, my kids, makes it all possible, and all the rangatahi out there, bro. And that's who it's all about at the end of the day, is providing a pathway, a positive pathway for our rangatahi.
I'm overwhelmed. I'm totally overwhelmed even to have been nominated, because what I do from passion, caring for people.
Well, to take out the award, I wasn't actually expecting it, but you know, being from Ngāti Whātua, you had to expect the unexpected. So, didn't come prepared for this. And it came from a kai, and my kai's getting cold.
At the end of the day, I stand out here for all of us.
It's good to know that people have got your back and your whānau have got your back, and it's the support is incredible.
I stand here proud of my family, because when I look out there, I see not just you, I see your parents, I see your mums and dads, and I'm so happy and proud.
I just go out and try and do my best, that's all. At the end of the day, we're whānau. We're all whānau.